Hey guys, I'm Justin from Cooking with Coit. I specialize in clean comfort cooking, and today I'm going to show you how to make this super delicious and creamy avocado ice cream. And if you love this recipe, make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons. Let's get started. I am always amazed at how many different uses you can have for an avocado. Of course, you guys probably know all of the basic things, like you can put it on a sandwich, you can put it on your tacos, you can make guacamole with it. Those are the obvious ones, but what's not so obvious is that avocados work incredibly well for desserts and baking too. What they do is they add a super delicious creaminess to anything you make with them. And that's how I know you guys are gonna love this avocado ice cream. First thing we're gonna do is cut our avocados in half and take out the pits. Next, we're gonna scoop out the avocado into our blender. And this kind of reminds me too of picking the perfect avocado and how important that is. As you'll kind of notice that these avocados, when you push them, are just a little squishy on the outside and their color is a little bit darker, not too green. That's how you know you have the perfect avocado. Next up, we're gonna add the juice of 1 lime, and as always, just give it a little bit of roll if you feel like your lime is a little bit firm on the outside, and that's gonna help the juice loosen up. Let's give it a little squeeze.
You cut it like that.
I cut it in half.
I know, but why do you cut the ends off?
Oh, this is a good point.
Only when you use a juicer.
No, all the time. Camera Ann, guys, okay, we gotta stop for a second. Camera Ann is doubting. So Camera Ann thinks that if you cut off both ends, like I like to do when I put it in a juicer because more juice comes out, that wouldn't apply for hand juicing here, but I think it does. Let us know in the comments which side you're on, and if you're on her side.
I never want to talk to you again.
Yeah, it's perfect. Look at all the juice that's coming out. All of this juice wouldn't come out if I didn't cut it like this. Oh, I just got it in the eye. Just got some lime juice in the eye. You just gotta get all this juice out. Okay. All right, next we are going to add 1 cup of sugar. And we are adding 1 cup of milk. I love recipes that use nice whole measurements and repeat those whole measurements so you don't have to like go looking for a million different cup sizes, a million different teaspoons, tablespoons, whatever. 1 cup of milk. And we're also gonna add 1 cup of heavy cream. And lastly, we're gonna add 1 pinch of salt. Now we're gonna blend it until smooth. Okay. One thing that I love about this recipe, other than the fact that this avocado ice cream is so delicious, is that it only takes like 5 minutes to prep. It's really so easy. Next thing we're gonna do is put in our mixture into our container, and this is gonna be an airtight container that we're gonna put in the freezer and freeze overnight. Look at how creamy this avocado ice cream is. I mean, we used avocados, we've used heavy cream and milk, so this is gonna be so delicious after it's frozen. All right. All we have to do now is put a top on it, and we're gonna throw it in the freezer and let it freeze overnight. All right, so this is another batch of avocado ice cream that I made yesterday and froze overnight for today's video, and it looks so incredible. I cannot wait to give this a taste, but before I do, if you love this recipe and you wanna see more just like it, check out my dessert recipes playlist. Okay, let's get into it. These are cold. This avocado ice cream is so absolutely delicious. It's super creamy. And if you guys love avocados, you are gonna love this recipe. You've got to give it a try. See you in the next video.